Hi, welcome to the School of CIS office tour. I'm Scott Grissom, the Assistant Director of the School of CIS and also Professor. And we're going to take just a few minutes to show you our office suite, some of the meeting rooms that we have, some typical faculty offices, just so that you get a sense for what you would see if you had been able to come visit. So, follow me. When you join us here at the school, or the suite as we call it, there'd be three shining or smiling faces here. This is Shelby. Say hi, Shelby.
Hi, I'm Shelby Harrison. I'm the secretary for the School of Computing and Information Systems. My favorite thing about working here at the School of CIS is I like the fact that our faculty and students are extremely collegial, and they come in and they chat with us, and I love just being able to work closely with them. And another thing that students really enjoy about coming here and going to school here is the fact that they can meet with faculty one-on-one and do research with them, and they like the fact that the faculty get to know who they are, they feel valued, they feel cherished, and that's their favorite thing about Grand Valley and the School of CIS.
Hi, my name is Lindsay Burns, and I am the Academic Department Coordinator for the School of Computing and Information Systems. My role here is to handle all things administrative. So I deal with budget, student employment, working with the director and the assistant director on teaching assignments and the schedule.
So what do you like about working here?
What I like about working here is getting to engage with the students. Getting to see them come into the office, getting to know them on a personal level, and what their career aspirations are after graduation.
So if you have this connection with the students, what would you say they appreciate about the School of CIS?
I think what our students like about the School of CIS here at Grand Valley is their hands-on experience. We work really hard with industry partners in the Grand Rapids community and elsewhere to make sure that our students are getting that knowledge prior to graduation.
Show them around a little bit more. So here in the suite we have about 10 faculty offices, 8, 9, or 10 depending on how you count. Roger Ferguson, he's not here today. We'll take a quick look at his messy office. Most of us have messy offices actually. So students would come in and meet the staff and get directed towards faculty, meet for faculty office hours, a variety of issues. Here are the mailboxes for the faculty. Off to the right here we have another set of 5 offices. So I say it's pretty slow here today because it's Monday before the semester and we're still shut down quite a bit for coronavirus. This is one of 2 meeting rooms that we have. So we have the big screen that we connect to with our computers to do presentations or to do Facebook calls or Skype calls. I would often meet here as assistant director with families and prospective students. Here's my office. Very typical office, usually plenty of shelf space, desktop computer and or laptop. All of our faculty have private offices, so we're up to 38 plus 8 new ones, I believe, are the numbers. So Shelby, we're going to go further down the hall if you want to join us. All right, so leaving the suite, we've got a number of offices and rooms to show you. To your left, we have the faculty break room. So in there, we can heat up a lunch, keep our lunch in the refrigerator, some soft drinks. That's the communal printer slash scanner. Coffee machine. I don't drink coffee, so I really actually know nothing about the coffee machine. Coming back into sort of the lobby area, we've got the elevator that goes down to the first floor. We're on the second floor. Through here we have what's called the Student Success Center. I'll let you go look through that on your own. This is a scheduled opportunity for students to work with faculty or upper level students. So depending on what course that they're in, they might be looking at Computer Science 1 or programming in Python, so they can work one-on-one with some tutors there. So this is free tutoring that Grand Valley has, and it's often by discipline. So if we were to go down the hall, we would see a nice large math tutoring center, and other disciplines have their own as well. But all free to students and walk-in free advising. Off to your right is another conference room. So that room is can be scheduled for recurring research meetings. Maybe faculty have a research group. When we were doing some faculty searches, we had all of our meetings in there with the television up on the screen, or the screen up on the wall, so that we could do a lot of Skype calls. Very useful. Let's go back down this way, actually. So as I mentioned, we're at Mackinac Hall, and this long hallway is called the C Wing. It's the original hallway of the building, built in about 1968. Now that's important, I'll explain in a moment. Here we have what we call a bay, and along the bay, or on the perimeter of the bay, are 5 faculty offices. But what we really like about this configuration that's sort of unique because of the oldness of this building, the age of this building, is the student community space. Now it's been reconfigured a little bit for COVID, so normally there's going to be some more chairs here, so they're all separated by 6 feet. But during a regular Monday through Friday mid-afternoon, there'll be students here having their lunch, having impromptu group meetings. We often have whiteboards available that have been apparently taken out. Oh, here's a whiteboard. So it's a great opportunity for them to work together on projects and to have direct access to their faculty during office hours. So when I'm giving tours to faculty and their prospective families, it's also a great opportunity to highlight this. And then we're going to go down the hall. So we have, 10 faculty offices here. There's a second bay down that has another 10 offices. And then since we've been growing so much over the last 10 years or so, we had to move or expand down a new hallway. So I'll take you down there. I was hoping someone would be here today. We can't introduce anybody at the moment, but maybe we'll figure out how to do that by the magic of editing and do that a little later. But let me just go show you the hallway at least. I always point out we're exclusively a Pepsi campus, so if you really like Coke, you have to bring it yourself or go to the gas station across the street from campus. And then down this long hallway, we have faculty offices on the left and classrooms on the right. I'm not sure, we probably have at least 20 faculty offices going down this hallway. We started off a few years ago, we just had the first 4 offices, and then we got 8, and then we got 12. And now this latest expansion this summer where we hired 8 new faculty, we took over the rest of the hallway. So nobody's here today, we can't pop our head in, but their offices all look the same, they're all about the same size, windows, and once again I said we all have private offices, all 40-ish, 45-ish new faculty have private offices. So I think that's enough for you to get a sense for what the office and meeting space is like here in the School of CIS. Thanks.